Hi everyone, and welcome back to Mama Lou's Kitchen. I'm your host Angie Lou, and today we're going to be making jeons, or Korean pancakes. You can find this pre-made pancake mix at the Korean market as buchimgaru or Korean pancake mix. But just in case you can't find any or you don't have any at home, I want to show you how to make it from scratch. And today I want to make 3 different kinds using kimchi, zucchini, and green onions. Here's what you're going to need. For the batter, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. For the fresh ingredients, you'll need half a medium onion, half a zucchini or summer squash, and 4 green onions. You'll also need half a cup of kimchi. For the dipping sauce, you'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of seasoned rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds, and half a teaspoon of gochugaru, or red pepper powder. Okay, so now that you've seen the ingredients involved, next I want to show you how to make the batter and then prep the vegetables. And then last I want to show you how to make the dipping sauce. Make sure you have a whisk and a couple of spatulas handy for the next steps. Combine your dry ingredients with the water and whisk until smooth. Slice your zucchini into 1/4 inch pieces, then cut them into 1/4 inch strips. Cut your green onions diagonally into 2 inch pieces, slicing the heads in half. Use your tongs and scissors to cut your kimchi into small 1 to 1.5 inch pieces, like this. Slice your onion radially and divide evenly into 3 portions. Add your sliced onions to your kimchi, zucchini, and green onions. Evenly scoop up 3 parts of your batter and add to your kimchi, zucchini, and green onions. After adding the batter, mix thoroughly. For the dipping sauce, add your sesame oil and seasoned rice vinegar to your soy sauce. Then add your gochugaru and sesame seeds, mix together and set aside. Over high heat, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to your non-stick pan. Add your green onion or scallion pancake mixture to your pan and spread out evenly. Cook your pancakes for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, but if you feel like they're burning, you can always lower the heat to medium and cook for 5 minutes on each side. Once you flip your pancake over, you can always add some extra oil to the pan to make your pancakes extra crispy. Repeat the same steps for your zucchini and kimchi pancakes. Here's a tip. Before I flip my pancakes over, I look to see if the batter starts to become a little bit translucent on top or tiny holes begin to form. If you don't have a large spatula like this to flip your pancakes, you can always make your pancakes smaller, or just be careful flipping. Cut your pancakes into eighths and don't stack them when you're cutting them. Alright everyone, our 3 jeons are now ready. You saw how I cut them up and I plated them here in a circle with the sauce in the middle, but you can cut them up and plate them however you like. These also reheat really well in a pan. You don't need to add extra oil, and I don't recommend putting them in the microwave because they can get soggy. And here you go. Thank you so much for watching. Pom Pom and I are so excited to share many more recipes with you. And if you ever have any questions, comments, or special requests, please feel free to reach out. Bye-bye now.